as we move on to girder clamps, I'm going to take us back to that original slide. As as I like looking at the two gentlemen standing there, and one's like, the works manager says, "Hollow," HALLO. "You back a week sooner than expected. How's that?" And the erector says, "It was those Lindapters that cut out all the drilling." Okay, right. Maybe a little facetious, but it's funny to think that back in the day, in the 40s and the 30s, this is the same stuff that we're talking about now. And if we looked at some other early, marketing material and other diagrams from 1943 on the left, I believe the one on the right is from, I think, 1941. But it's, on the left, it's mining, it's tunneling, it's how do you install these things without, tools. Like you don't need to get a tool down there to install these things. You just need to clamp it. On the right, a lot of what we call the GCL1, where you have two beams just sitting perpendicular to each other. That's the basic, Lindapter clamp. But that down below, what I love about this one too is, it's like, hey, without Lindapter fixings, you got to do all this stuff. But with Lindapter fixings, aka clamps, you don't have to do any of that. So it just makes me laugh, and as we go over that kind of stuff.